Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Supabase Storage for image uploads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by setting up your Supabase project and navigating to the Supabase dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the storage section on the left sidebar. Click on the storage option to access the storage settings. Next, create a new bucket by clicking on the New Bucket button. Name your bucket appropriately, such as image uploads. Ensure the bucket is set to either public or private based on your needs. Once your bucket is created, take note of the bucket name for later use. Now, move to your development environment and open your project. Install the Supabase client library if you haven't already done so. You can do this using npm or yarn with the command npm install at supabase/supabase.js. Import the Supabase library into your JavaScript file. Initialize your Supabase client by providing your Supabase URL and an on key. You can find these credentials in the settings of your Supabase project. Next, create a function to handle file uploads, using a file input element in your HTML. When a user selects a file, capture that file in your function. Use the Supabase client method storage.from_bucketName.upload to upload the file. Make sure to provide a unique path for each file upload to avoid conflicts. Handle the upload response to check if it succeeded or failed. If the upload is successful, you can display a success message to the user. In case of an error, display the error message for troubleshooting. Optionally, you may want to add image preview functionality to show users what they uploaded. To do this, create an image element in your HTML and set its source to the uploaded file URL. This will enhance user experience by providing immediate feedback on the upload. Finally, test the entire workflow to ensure that image uploads are functioning correctly. Make any necessary adjustments for better performance or user experience as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.